Welcome to Community Soup Kitchen Farmers Market. It's free for anyone in the community that wants to come. You can see we have eggs, milk, cheese, some bakery items. Ooh, and some nice Moondrop grapes. Actually, I just bought these last week. Beautiful peaches, bags of apples, bananas, tons of plantains. Oh my God, look at all this fruit salad. This is like a lot of smoothies going on. It's a lot of fruit. Lots of produce. All this would have gotten thrown out otherwise. This is all food rescue. Lettuces, bagged salads, some beautiful peppers. It's all seasonal. A lot of this is local too. Beautiful zucchini, cucumbers, corn. And look at those heirloom tomatoes. Some meat. A lot of variety, and it's all free. It's all for our community. I'm so glad that we have this available. A bunch of great people. You couldn't get a more cohesive and caring group of people here.